Anyway, so so that was 8th grade, and then this year, this year we're good, and I don't know what happened. Like, um, there was a point. Oh wait, last year we've never like we never yelled at each other before. We've never gotten into it like a really bad argument, but last year I found out something that really hurt me. So, you know, I went up to him and I was like, I told him some stuff, and I basically, was pushing him away from me. And he was why are you doing this? Or why are you acting like this? And I was like, I don't know, you tell me. And I don't know, I was like saying all this stuff, and soon enough, he was like, he told me, F you. And I was like shocked because he's never said anything like that to me before. Even if he's really mad, even like when we're on the phone and we were to argue, if we were to like hang up or something, he'll be like, okay, well, I'll talk to you later because I don't feel like talking. And he'll tell me, bye, I love you. But it was really sad because, like, we've never gone through something, like, we've never argued, and that was like the first time that he's told me that he's, you know, first time, it's like, wow, this is really happening. And I started crying in 8th period. So that was 7th period when I found out. And I started crying in 8th. And I was crying away, and it was really sad for me. And so, I was like, what? Wait, anyway. But, yeah, so basically, it was really sad. But, yeah, and so now we're talking again. He's been really sweet lately. I don't know what it is. Just sometimes he just changes moods out of nowhere. It's not like bipolar or anything, but I mean like in a way of like he'll just be like, hey baby, I love you, I miss you, and there's times when he won't be like that. So like, it's kinda weird for me. I'm not really used to it because just yesterday he was like my love, and he never says that to me. He's never said that to me before until yesterday, and he was like, was that weird to you, or was that surprising that I was saying all this? And I was like, well, yeah, because you never really told me. And he was like, well, because I love you, and like, I love you too. But yeah, I wish I could tell you more, but actually I have to go because he, it's already like 12 something, and I gotta start cleaning, and then I'm gonna go to sleep for a little bit, and then he's gonna come over. I don't know if I'm gonna be asleep or not, but he's gonna come in. So yeah, and yeah. Well, thank you for watching my I guess it's my love story. Um, so yeah, thank you guys for listening and watching, and I hope I get better soon, so I can be with y'all pretty soon. And that's it, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.